फूड से हम सबको प्यार है। खाने के बिना हम जानते हैं हम कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते। खाना हमारी जरूरत भी है और हमारी ख्वाहिश भी। फूड इज नॉट ओनली अ सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी, इट इज ऑल्सो एन एक्सपीरियंस। आज
Right.
मैं आपको जिनसे मिलवा रही हूँ वो आपको बताएंगे कि जो हम फूड अपनी डेली रूटीन में खाते हैं, कैसे वो हम सबकी हेल्प कर सकता है इन मेकिंग आवर लाइफ blissful and also full of positivity. I wholeheartedly welcome Dr. Amrita Ganguly on this Dil Ki Baat Sabke Saath platform. Hi Amrita,
Thank
how
you.
are you?
Hi, Ruchi. Thank you so much. And I am so glad that you invited me to this platform to share some really amazing tips about food and herbs that is there in your kitchen.
Absolutely. We all know food can change our mood. But how about if you make some things very technically and in a way which she discusses and make your life magical too? She is into the field of healing since last 12 years and her forte is using kitchen herbs to change your life experiences. Amrita, first of all, I would just like to know from you that what sort of kitchen herbs generally can change our life.
Okay, so yeah, this is one of my favorite subjects to talk about. What sort of kitchen herbs? Like your normal sugar, salt, haldi, mirchi that you use in your own kitchens have a lot of magical properties that a lot of us don't know. You know, if we know and use them rightly, it can help you get a lot of things in your life sorted.
My God, this is very stunning. And one very interesting question which is coming in my mind is that we all are tea lovers. I think
Right.
most of the people drink tea. Do you have something that if we prepare tea in certain matter or method told by you, we can change our life?
Absolutely. So, we can create a few magical teas. Like, we can put certain ingredients and help our teas become tea combination for protection or for money or for attracting a good partnership or a relationship. So, let me share the first combination for protection tea. So what you guys can do is boil hot water, get your water boiling, put clove, which attracts protection, honey, which helps attract thing to you sweetly and in a stable manner. Add ginger to it. Ginger again fastens the speed of things that come to you. Okay. And then you can add a little bit of sage. All of these ingredients or black pepper, whatever you is suits you, all
So
of
we can
these.
have a choice of sage and black pepper?
Yeah, you can have
Okay.
a choice in sage and black pepper, or you can use both. Just take care
Okay.
the sage that you use is edible sage.
Okay.
Okay. And then okay, आपको करना सिर्फ इतना है. When you take the herb, introduce herb one by one into the vessel of hot water. Stir it 3 times, saying your affirmation as in I am protected. Okay, 3 times clockwise. Once this is done, you strain and you drink. So what happens is, this is the protection energy that you have created, which you consume into your body and which goes into your aura finally.
This is really amazing, amazing. And you know, wealth, everybody needs to be wealthy. Just share
Right.
the next recipe which can make all of us abundant.
Okay, so the process remains the same of hot water and stirring it and saying your affirmation. I am wealthy, wealth comes to me easily. Any of these affirmation. The herbs that y'all can use is cinnamon, yeah, which attracts a lot of money for you. Or again, ginger, dried ginger, powdered ginger, whatever works for you. Sugar, because sugar turns any situations in your favor. All right, that's something that you can use for quick money to come to you. Strain and drink.
And the sugar could be brown or white, or we can have any of them.
Any sugar,
Any
you can
sugar.
either use sugar or honey, doesn't really matter, because both of them attract things to come to you very easily and very it sweetens up things around you.
Great, great. And you know, many people are diabetic or they avoid sugar. Is there any other option for them?
You can either use sugar free or you can use herbs which have natural sugar in them.
Okay. And the third one, which you were talking about, relationship, because we all know that, this universe is full of relationship issues. So why not come out of
Yes.
it and live a happy life?
Right. So the herbs that you guys can use to create happy relationship tea is obviously rose. But guys, when you use rose, be careful that this is edible form of flower. Any herbs that you use, please take care. It's the edible form of it.
True, true,
Okay?
true.
So rose, sugar, and maybe a little bit of vanilla and clove to remove negativity is a good combination for relationship tea.
So we can use vanilla essence in it?
Yes, you can use vanilla essence. Now, something is, I can remember something. I would like to share. Do you know you can make even milkshake attract money for you?
I would love to hear it.
So, this is what you can do. You can pour 1 glass of boiling milk. When your milk is boiling,
Hmm.
you can put a piece of chocolate. Now, dark chocolate helps in relationship building, and white chocolate helps in friendship building. Okay, so these
Okay.
are the qualities of chocolate when you want to present it to somebody. So when you put dark chocolate in your milk with little bit of cinnamon and clove, stir it, strain the milk and give it. This will definitely help you attract a lot of money.
Wonderful. And I think this is, a blessing for people who do not drink tea, and probably the
Yes.
youngsters, because they want to attract well, they want to have good friends, they want to live a happy life. So this milkshake can be a good starter for their day too.
Absolutely. Just little time to create the milkshake and a few affirmations is
Affirmations.
totally going to sort their lives.
Wonderful, Dr. Amrita. Another thing, another field which is I would just like to bring to your notice is education. Education
Correct.
plays a very important role in our life and in our children's life too. So, how can we prepare something from kitchen herbs which can help our children to be more concentrated towards education, interest, they should build their interest in it and build confidence to do better in their careers.
So a couple of things that they can do, confident and creativity goes hand in hand. So
Okay,
one very interesting herb for confidence and creativity is orange. So
okay,
if you include more of orange in their diet, or if they sit in the eastern direction on a wooden plank, wearing reds, maroons, oranges, these are the colors of grounding. Okay.
okay,
So if you're grounded well, you will absorb what you're learning better.
okay.
Yeah. So then introduce more of oranges in various forms. You can have orange shakes, orange juice, raw oranges. These definitely help you to study in a more creative way, which finally gets into you and makes you more interested in the subject.
And so interesting to know you as a person and to know these,
Thank you.
stunning things I could have never thought. For me, orange is only an antioxidant, and that is what it can help to your body. And
Right.
that is why I force everybody in my family to have one orange daily, unknowingly that it has got
Amazing.
such other benefits too. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. You're most
And
welcome. You're
and
most welcome.
another thing which is just pepping up in my mind is that education हो गया और ये हमारा career हो गया, and we have talked about so many things, but there is something like positivity is lacking in people, right? In these days people lack in
Right.
thinking towards positive directions, and everybody, some or the other way start being much more negative. And even if we talk about in our communities, people are talking more about negative things rather than positive things. So how is
Right.
that we can keep ourselves positive and create a positive environment around us?
Amazing questions. I'll tell you a few of kitchen herbs which really helps building positivity and removing negativity. One is coffee that you can do. Another one is salt. Okay. Now there are two ways of using it. One, I usually share this tip with my people who are working in corporates or people who feel very low a lot of time. whenever you're feeling low or whenever you're feeling a loss of energy, just drink a cup of black coffee. This will remove the negativity and pep you up immediately for whatever energy you require for whatever work. Okay. Now, secondly, what you can do is, if you're feeling too much of negativity, put a fist of rock salt in your bath water. This will remove negativity from your space. Or a little bit of haldi. Haldi, what
Okay.
haldi does is, it will not only remove negativity, but it will also heal your body wherever required.
So
Even
how,
milk.
okay, so how can
Sorry.
we use haldi in it? How will we be using haldi for this
So
purpose?
whenever you're having a bath, just introduce a pinch of haldi in your bath water,
Great.
okay? And affirm what you want, and then have bath with it.
Wonderful, wonderful. Another, great thing I come to know, because I'm also into making products. I basically make bath products with kitchen ingredients, but I have always known that salt is used to remove negativity. But another thing which I have just come to know is even turmeric can work for that. And I think anybody
Turmeric
anybody
as
can use this. It is such a simple, method, just to put it in your bucket, take a bath with of affirmation, and you are ready for positive energy to attract you. That is
true.
really
Uh,
wonderful.
in
Yes.
fact, you can use a combination of turmeric and milk, because milk helps build relationship or self love with your own self.
Wonderful. And it has through, I mean, my grandma used to take this turmeric and milk uh, shake daily
Right,
at bedtime.
right.
So I think those were the things which were extremely natural and very helpful. And can
True.
everybody take it like that only? I mean, or there is some other time when they should take this milk and turmeric?
There is no time, but ideally what happens is, if you want the negativity to go off, if you have milk just before you're resting, that is the night sleep, or when you get up early in the morning, it
Oh,
helps you best.
yes, yes, I got it.
So that's what it is.
That's really wonderful. जैसे पहले हमें होते थे ना नानी के और दादी के खजाने, तो आज
Bilkul.
हमें पता लग रहे हैं डॉक्टर अमृता के नए नए खजाने, which are going to help
Thank you.
this generation and coming up generations, how you can heal and be happy in your day-to-day life with just your kitchen herbs.
Absolutely.
It's such a
Absolutely.
it's such a wonderful chat which we are having, and I'm enjoying it. And meri to curiosity aur badhti ja rahi hai. I just want to know so many things from you and share with people so that
Sure.
everybody can change their life. But I have also heard that you are into some different form of meditation, that is signature yoga meditation. Just throw some light on what it is and how it is being done.
So I just happened to meet Rameshji, and he spoke about something very interesting called as the signature astrology, which was interesting, and I got mine analyzed, being the inquisitive me that I am. And it very aptly helps you understand about yourself, about your behavior, about your nature very rightly. So it creates a space for you to understand what are your strengths and which are the areas that you really need to work upon. So I think it's a very win-win tool which one can use.
So, is it all related to the signature only?
Yes, mostly with your signature, because I think only your signature helps reveal a lot about you.
True, true. As your name reveals a lot about you, so
Very
similarly,
true.
your signature also reveals a lot about you.
Lots
That's
about you.
absolutely true. I will share the number. I'll take it from Dr. Amrita, and I will share it if anybody wants to, connect with him, know and improve in other aspects of their life. They can just tie with him. And another one more thing which is coming to my mind, and I'm very, excited to know about is like. Coffee. Many people are there who do not like milk or tea, and even black coffee. Is there any other way to use coffee in our daily routine which can help us
So,
for
as
success and
I mentioned
positivity?
to you, one, that you can use coffee, black coffee, when you're feeling very negative or drained out. Secondly, you can just carry coffee powder with you and smell it if you don't drink coffee to remove negativity.
Great.
Thirdly, yeah, you could also create a lot of magical coffees. Okay, like now you can add on when you're making your coffee, when it's almost done, you can add a little bit of vanilla into it and affirm about your relationship. This creates a love coffee. You can add a little bit of cinnamon into it and affirm about your money. This creates money
Oh,
attraction
money
coffee.
coffee.
You know, so just changing it or adding a couple of herbs will completely change or add on to the characteristic of tea, coffee, milkshakes that you're drinking
So
and make it absolutely
I think
magical.
till now we have only heard about latte, matcha, cappuccino, but now we are hearing about wealth coffee, we are hearing about protection coffee, we are hearing about relationship coffee. This is so
Right.
amazing. This is so amazing, and I think this is one of the best sessions, and it is going to help so many people to change their lives in and out just by using the kitchen herbs which are available in their own home. In the end, I would just
Absolutely.
like to say to Dr. Amrita that खुद से वादा करें, हर दिन एक नेक इरादा करें, खुद से एक वादा करें, हर दिन एक नेक इरादा करें, हर मुश्किल हार जाए हमारे आगे, हर मुश्किल हार जाए हमारे आगे, खुद ही से हम इतने बुलंद इरादे करें. तो फिर आज से ही आप अपनी लाइफ में रेसिपीज में थोड़ा सा ट्विस्ट और टर्न लाके अपनी लाइफ को और भी बेटर, मीनिंगफुल और हैप्पी बना सकते हो. Thank you so much, Amrita, for sharing
Thank
such
you so much.
precious things with all of us. And may universe bless everybody with a happy life, and loads of blessings to you because of sharing so many beautiful insights which are easy to apply, but yet they can make difference in everybody's life. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having invited me, and I hope I've been able to add some value. So, guys, look into your kitchen. There is so many amazing things and which can just transform your lives. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.